Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Mizoram Education ha voina MSSSB voina in zawatro. So pahataten kan solve analysis ani hi. Okay, our house casts a shadow 150 long at the same time when my neighbor's house casts a shadow 120 meter long on the ground. If my neighbor's house is 80 meter high, then the height of my house is okay. Om ziachu tahian entirnan san kan sia mga hemi my house, or we can say our house ania hemi neighbor's house ania. Our house engzat nge I cast shadow 150 chon a height kan shemi alo chumi wangjan x kan assume thea chon when my neighbor's house casts a shadow 120 meters, so 120 meter long on the ground. If my neighbor's house is 80 meter high, okay, 80 meter hamapon ka soito hemi angle hi theta assume la. So 80 le 120 omzachu perpendicular le base omna chu enge ti chuan enge kan man train tan theta kan man train theta tan theta is equals to 80 by 120. 0 le 0 and cancel 4 in cancel la 4 2s are chuan 4 3s are, so value of tan theta kan muto hemi tan theta ni chuan hemi poi tan theta tho ni dona heta nge kan man don 10 tho kan mang dona chan chu 10 bok kan mang don h by 150 omzachu perpendicular by base tan theta is equals to h by 150. Tan theta value can find out to 2 by 3, so 2 by 3 3 le 150 and cancel 50 times 50 multiplied by 2 to 100 meter, so answer will be option number B, 100 meter. Okay, question number 77. In 12 days 28 men can complete a piece of work. This same MDH masala kan EMI group avoga MDH masala kan mangdona. So number of men exact nge dijon 28, number of days exact nge dijon 12, helma number of men exact nge 21, so 21, number of days kan shala so D diyan kan cancel nga 7 in 7 4s are 7 3s are 3 le 12 kan cancel nga 4s are, so 4 into 4 16. Chumza question number 78. Hemi poi voitam takashil to chaudro LCM kan la kangai amapon voitam takasoi to hemi 1 by 4 kan tidona 10 ania 1 by 6 ania chona to berami 25 ania 1 by 12. What is the LCM of 4 6 le 12 enge LCM 4 6 le 12 chu LCM is 12 thro chumi function and raised to the power 12 in can multiply and raised to the power hian 12 in can multiply thina hian, okay, 25. Chumza 12 by 6 exact nge dijon 2 ania, so 10 raised to the power 2 heta jon 1 power om don raised to the power. Chumza 3 raised to the power 12 by 4 can cancel jon 3 ania, 3 raised to the power 3 27, 10 raised to the power 200, 25 raised to the power 1 to 25. So enge biggest value tichon hey option number B will be the correct answer. Okay, greatest anti so na question to the charger lo hote. Question number 79. The ratio of total import, okay, total import chu var in throw var how is total import in chon total export chu black and white mix in ya together anti chon given years together anti chon avain kan bel vekang 35 plus 30 65, 65 plus 40 105, 105 plus 50 tichon 155, 155 le 55 to 210 and ya chimzwa hemi total import export kan export kan belenga 40 plus 50 90, 90 plus 35 125, 125 plus 40 165, 165 plus 60 exact nge tichon 225. Okay, so hemi 5 in cancel ila 42 nia hemi 5 in cancel ila 45 ania tuna 3 in can cancel thea 3 14s are 315, so 14 by 15 is the correct answer. Tuna question number 80. For the year 2020 21 le 22, okay, omze chu hemi ta pathum hi ania chon total export is what percent of total import for the 3 years. Total export exact nge ti chon 60 40 and 35, so 60 30 45 to 135 is what percent anti of eng 55 plus 40 plus 50 to 145 ani so can cancel nga 5 in 5 29 5 20 choose x is equals to 135 into 20 by 29 and 35 into 20 to 0 0 7 2 by 29 tuna 2700 hi 29 in can divide 29 9s are exact nge tichon 261 and itrina chon 0 9, okay, chon 29 3s are and itrin 87, so 29, so 93 point something ka answer ni by option number B. Question number 81. The average salary of teachers in a school is exact nge ti chuan average salary is 8200 and yeah into teacher. Okay, chuan that of clerk is 7200 plus clerk is 7200. If their mean salary is 8000, okay, 8000 and yeah, so means total exact nge total teacher le total clerk masing total number of clerk find out turjan hemi value of t hi om ngai chumi wang chan hemi dik thai don lo shim achan chu value teacher value and given me alawa, so we cannot solve this question. Question number 81 here can solve thailo. Question number 82. From the given point on the ground, hemi point atang hian enge 20 meter away from a building, hemi building nita se the angle of elevation on top of the tower 45 ma pon hemi chu ka sai to. If the angle of elevation of top of the tower is 45 chon what is the height of the building? Height of the building antitro enge perpendicular le base and ya chon theta 45 ani chon answer 20 hemi hi ani mai, so 20 meter is the correct answer. Question number 83. A girl buys chocolate for buy and tia, so 150 will be the cost price and sell it to her friend for rupees 180. Selling price zale somri atania profit exact nge yes profit chu and difference som thumania cost price anwaya kan ziak multiplied by 100. 0 le 0 and cancel 3 by 15 to 5 and 5 in 120 time, so 20% is the correct answer. Okay, tuna square root of hemi hi exact nge value ni don and 0.484 by 6.25 into 25 by 0.4. okay, heta hian point kan da san chuan hey digit pathum oma anwaya pathum kan zia kang heta pani heta tang hian pakhat, so pakhat le pani chu pathum heta dot pathum kan zia kang achungmi 0 pathum le noi mi 0 pathum ti hian kan da son theya. okay, tuna hemi wang na square hemi wang ta kan square root hit 20 ama 30 thleng jin thiamangai hey 484 anga square root is 22, 625 anga square root is 25, 25 anga square root is 5, 4 anga square root is 2, 2 in hemi 22 11 times in can cancel 5 in hemi 25 5 time in can cancel. So what will be our value? 11 by 5 exact nge ti 2.2. option number D is correct answer ani a. Tuna question number 85 1 plus 0.01 chon 1 minus 0.04 ania. okay, tuna hemi enge value ni chin root of 0.01 chu 0.1 ani china chu tiambok chon root of 0.04 chu 0.2 ani don enge reason ta hian mitam ta an boy mai thenga boy tureng mamlo chete pon questions chu repeated te we kan emo concept chu va in ka shil to chu hey 1 plus enge in ziata 0.01 and ya point kan da sun chun waya 0 pani. What is the square root of 1 ti chun 1 plus what is the square root of 1 ti chun 1. What is the square root of 100 ti chun 10, so 1 by 10 enge 0.1 chun 1 plus 0.1 chu exact nge 1 plus 1.1 and chin chu tiambo chu anwai mi solve leila 1 minus 0.04 point kan da sunanga anwai abial pani, so 1 minus 4 square root 2 ni china 100 square root 10 and chin 2 by 10 exact nge chun 0.2 pahatrin 0.2 kan pe chun 0.8 point le point kan da sunanga 11 by 8, so 11 by 8 is the correct answer. okay, chumi zo question number 86 ya 3 by 4 of and ya can solve ma saber don yo of bracket point solve thai to apoi chung lo 1 by 4 chon divided by 3 1 by 2 3 by 3 1 by 2 chun ang mani pon in sianga enge hetian kan multiply na 3 le 2 kan multiply chon pakhat kan bel trin, so 7 by 2 hemi ju voitam tak ka soi to tuna of and ya hemi kan solve ma sanga hemi le hemi kan cancel na 3 time hemi le hemi kan 2, so 2 by 3 bracket chung ami 2 in 2 minus 1 by 4 chu exact nge 8 minus 1 by 4 and china, so 7 by 4 chon divide 7 by 2 tuna hemi hinge kan solve ma sakdon divide ti chon divide hi kan solve ma sadon multiplication ain chumi wang chon divide o matro enge kan ti don hemi letling zong in kan ziak dei zela chon heta hen multiplication 7 le 7 kan cancel nga hemi le hemi hi twin kan cancel 2 le 2 kan cancel 1 by 3, so 1 by 3 kan answer ni dona. Question number 87. A girl buys stamps of denomination cheng li le cheng riat for 280. Total denomination 4 and ya chon 4 le 8 man le ya avain cheng zani le som riat man. she buys 40 stems in all antia 40 stems in all ti chuan ngei ta to chengli manangkha x leita se chengri at manangkha y leita se avain engzat mo stem pale somli ale masing engzat man nge le ti chuan bonglu r lu le bong ke r ke khatiang khoshan do khane mo so ta hian engzat nge chengli manangkha x ania chengri at man kha y nia equals to zanile somri at man tuna heta 4 oma heta 8 oma heta 80 oma 4 in can divide the y hian 4 in can divide the du chon hem equation hi 4 in multiply the to mo hem equation hi ainang dona aseng ta hian mi all sums of don x plus y hem equation tan ka zia kanga equals to 14 ya hem pum pui 4 in can divide chunenge kan nei don x plus 2y equals to 70 tuna x hi tihian x minus x 0 nia y tang in 2y pe chu minus y nia 40 train 70 pe chu minus 30 minus le minus can cancel anga y equals to 30 so option a y equals to 30 omna chu a le c nia waseng poilo ada option a pahnia oma so x po solve lo leila ha mi theli ta hen da de x plus y equals to 14 etro so x will be equals to exact ngeni don 10 so 10 le 30 option number a hi can correct answer okay tuna question number 88 the number of ways in which 6 kits can be arranged in a line such that two particular kits are always together two particular kits anti omze chu kit a b c d e f tihian assume la omze chu e le f hi engtiklai pon together anom don tinai chuma bulna ya anom charchar dora so bulna ya anom chuan enge pakhat angin kan ngai don hami thili so 5 factorial ania maseng thil pahato heta po dule e le f heta kanda the heta po kanda the heta po kanda the heta po kanda the heta po kanda the okay so 5 factorial na maseng thil pahatin shi atur chu hami nia e le f in f le e po kan ziak thei tholom chumi function multiplied by 2 ani don so 5 factorial engzat nge za somni ani thin za somni le pani kan multiply jon zani le somli okay now question number 89 a diameter of semicircular field and semicircular field and diameter is 28 so radius engzat nge ni don 14 centimeter ya then its perimeter enge perimeter ne thin 2 pi r in exam in ziak ringo temi dik ngai lo nia perimeter of semicircular body chu enge ni thin ti chon 2 pi r by 2 plus 2r and it am ju hami le mi chu kan cancel the zia kher ngai lo so ange kan answer ni don pi chu 22 by 7 into r 14 plus 2 into 14 hemi le hemi kan cancel 2 time so 44 plus 28 44 plus 28 chu 72 centimeter hi kan answer ni don question number 90 the cost price of one shirt so shirt tan zia kila cost price ve ni don tan one shirt and one shoe an yatro is exact nge zarukle somthum sh kan zia kang su kan zia kang shoe himo su kan zia kang if the shoe costs 25% more than the shirt okay shirt s an ya chon hemi cheng za angpon ngai la exact nge a shoe price ani don cheng za somni pangari don chon an panin kan bel chon exact nge diktaka exact nge according to the question 630 so 100 plus 125 equals to 630 atok there so 225 equals to 630 yeah chon enge question then the cost price of shirt and shoes respectively so value of 225 if value of 225 is 630 in each one value of 100 and value of 125 exact ngeni don tinani chu value of 100 le value of 125 can find out so 225 into 100 and 25 in cancel ila 25 9s are 25 4s are 630 by 9 choose 70 so 17 to 4 chu 218 yeah option now ma'am yes say option number a talk khoyama 280 dang om low so answer will be option number a masana dang poi check thawila nge tola 225 value 630 ni jon 125 value exact nge hey for shoe ti chon mo hetian 630 by 225 into 125 25 in cancel ila 9 25 in cancel ila 5 630 by 9 chu 70 so 17 to 5 chu zathum le songa hai zathum le songa om chial tu question number 91 the area of square park is exact nge area of square park area in shatro if area is given 90000 and yeah so a will be square root of 90000 chu zathum omzia chu hemi poi zathumani dona hemi poi zathumani dona hemi poi zathumani dona hemi poi zathumani don perimeter exact nge vine zang khatle zaninia so nge tola meter khat fencing torin cheng ni angaya meter sang ni Meter sang kha zani fencing turin exat nge ngai don sang ni le zali. Option number D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 92. If Zale Somli is divided into two number in the ratio 3:4, omziachu hemi 3/7 mapon ka saito. The numbers are antiatro individual value chunga kan ziaktin total value nwaya kan ziaktin hemi lemi kan cancel 20 multiplied by 3 60 omna chu kan answer dangju indule find out lo la poilo maseng MSSSB question and paper and question diklo pom trina chumi wangchan kan solve wang 4 divided by 7 into zasomli hemi kan cancel 20 into 4 chu exat nge 80. Yes adik hemi chu alang sar lutuk 5 by 6 chu mo 5 by 6 chu lang lutuk 0 point kan danga 8 mo chuan 2 ni dona so 3 times ani don chumi zo 6 by 8 enge ni thin 6 by 8 chu 3 by 4 ani thin 3 by 4 2 ponan sia 0.75 ani thin 7 by 9 hi exat nge ni thin 7 by 9 ti chuan 63 ni thin 7 chun 63 ni da 7 11 by 13 exat nge chun 0 point kan danga 8 zar ani thin chun it will be 13 4 zar ni don. Yes, so answer will be how much hemi shortcut po ka shil to chau. Okay, masing tu na chon analysis ania enge dikber khami ka kan ka shil don chau. That's why nakina video da ka shil lang chain du chon hemi hinia tamber enge 11 by 13 atambera 11 by 13 atambera chumizwa 0.83 om chu 5 by 6 atama chumizwa chuanin 0.77 om chu 7 by 9 atamber 7 by 9 ania chumizwa tlember chu enge 0.75 chu 6 by 8 ania so 6 by 8 enge kan answer option aw mem option number B is the correct answer. Okay, tuna question number. If a man walks to college and rides back home, the entire trip take him 1.5 hours. If he ride both ways, okay, tiang question chu MPSC Apollo chuak tot entia kan solve. If a man walks ane voi khata waka chon holama a ride te mo exat nge huna lak ti chon 1.5 hour chu 90 minutes sanishin chuan when he ride both way chu bike in atla kallam apu bike in kalanga chon holama apu bike in exat nge 30 minutes only heta train kan solve r plus r 2r ania 2r equals to 13 each one r exat nge ni don sompanga hemithili tahian kan da de yang r in tahian sompanga kan da chon hemi sompanga heta kan transfer nga so value of w kan mudon exat nge 90 minus 15 chu 75 ani thin. Okay, masing enga kan question then the time taken by him to walk both way zia chu w plus w so w plus w chu exat nge somsari panga chu za som nga nia hemi hi 16 kan divide anga tinge enge reason achan chu answer awara kan zon chuanga I don so 0 hi da sonila tihian 15 by 6 exat nge ni thin 2.5 ani thin. Okay, that's why our answer exat nge ni don option number C is the correct answer. Tuna question number 95 hi in ti that chu karinga har lo tukmo a tap x can fill a tank in 6 hours while tap y can empty le fill tiang hi chu chon fill together angami jon x into y hemi formula chu voi tam takashil da chau 6 into 8 exat nge 48 chona difference exat nge 2 so answer will be 24. Option number A is the correct answer. Okay, now question number 96 the list price of a book is 400 so list price exat nge zali chon exat in nge alei bayarin cheng za thumle somni na leya then the discount exat nge chu langsar lutuk 14 to 2 ni mai on chu 80 hemi chu cheng somri at discount chon list price exat nge zali so hemi lemi kan cancel 20% is the correct answer. Chumi za question number 97 a number of year by which a sum becomes double itself ani chon amount exat nge 2p ni dona chona principal ka p ni dona what is the interest chon 2p minus p so 2p minus p chu p ani dona so tahian SI is equals to PRT by 100 so tahian SI p kan mutwa chon principal pinya a rate exat nge 25% ya time cancel out divided by 100 p le p can cancel 25 by 100 to 4 and ya hemi 4 yata so t will be equals to 4 years yes adiklu to tuna question number 98 amount of money Leela should deposit in a bank in order to get 2646 okay amount and given tina ni chu 2646 equals to principal kan nei lo 1 plus r exat nge 5% okay chon time 2 years and ya hemi le hemi cancel ila 1 by 20 okay 1 by 20 1 plus 1 by 20 chu 21 by 20 21 by 20 whole square chu 441 by 400 hemi le hemi 16 can cancel ang chuan achan chu 4 into 6 24 and yeah chon 41 into 6 chu 246 and yeah and hemi 400 le 6 can multiply chon sang ni le zali so option number D will be the correct answer okay so the question number 99 a candidate secured 325 marks which is 65% of total marks which is 65% of maximum marks and how takami poi and kanshemi alawatra maximum marks antinan e x nita se x a 325 of muchun 65% a score atro omzi aberchu 65% is equals to 325 on 100% exact ngani don so 325 by 65 into 100 so hemi 5 in cancelila 13 hemi 5 in cancelila 65 hemi le hemi 5 in cancel total marks omzia chu zangania tuna thilda nge another candidate scored 400 so marks zanga a marks zali kan huchon engtin nge kan find out trend 400 divided by total marks into 100 hemi le hemi kan cancel nga 400 by 5 exact nge ti chon 80 so 80% is the correct answer question number 100 a man leaves half of his property to his wife throw so antinan x property neita se anupui x by 2 apedai mo chumiza 1 by 3rd amza chu x by 3 anaw a brother pe chon remaining to his son remaining exact ngeni don en po chuni se remaining chu x atrangin hemita pani kan minus ang abang zongka of pa pe don so x minus x by 2 chon minus x by 3 so x LCM exact nge 6 ania 6x minus 3x minus 2x so 6x minus 3x minus 2x chu exact nge ni don x ani dona hemi hinia remaining chu but in quotient exact nge remaining so x by 6 is remaining tro chen quotient exact nge remaining 30000 ni mailom ti hian 30000 hemi 60 30000 can multiplying so 1,80,000 okay 1,80,000 is the correct answer option number is the correct answer so hope you like the video and course in la join du chuan in join thai okay next video again hula trawang thank you